As you know, the widest and the largest part of the large intestine is the cecum. Because cecum is a part of the large intestine. Because this is the start of the formation. Once the cecum unites with once the ileum unites with the large intestine, it will communicate with the cecum. That's why you have what is known as ileocecal valve. That is the valve here. Now immediately at the dorsal part of the cecum, you have here the formation of vermiform appendix. This is the vermiform. What do you call this part of the large intestine? What do you call this corner? Right colic or hepatic flexure. Very good. What do you call this? What do you call this corner? What do you call this?
Descending colon.
Descending colon of the large. What do you call this? What do you call this? Rectum. No? Rectum beneath. Huh? Sigmoid colon. Rectum. Okay. Here. This is the part of the pancreas. Huh? Part is pancreas. And this is the duodenum of the small intestine, the start of the formation of the duodenum. Now this one, and this one is the omentum. Huh? This is the omentum. Apron-like structure overhang the small intestine. This one is a part of the omentum, which we refer to as the greater omentum. Kini may greater omentum, ha? Una nga di nakasaka na ito ang small intestine, supposedly because of the cover of the greater omentum. Dili ma-strangle sa stomach. Hindi man stomach, di ba? Now, small intestine, kini mo ni ang duodenum portion. This one here is the jejunum. This one here is the
Ileum.
No? The location of these three parts of the small intestine. Duodenum, jejunum,
Ileum.
Now, among these three parts of the small intestine, the most important is the duodenum. Here. In fact, the duodenum is the widest part of the small intestine and the longest part. The second longest and widest is the jejunum. The least and the narrowest and the smallest is the ileum. Because the small intestine starts to decrease in its size and length as it proceeds towards the last part of the small intestine, towards the ileum. No? So, what do you call this part where the ileum and where the jejunum and the duodenum and the jejunum communicate?
Duodenal flexion.
What do you call this part where the jejunum and the ileum meet or communicate? Jejuno-ileal.
Jejuno-ileal.
Jejuno-ileal, not ileo. Jejuno-ileal flexure, duodeno-jejunal flexure. Well, I will just mention to you the four parts of the duodenum. Okay. Ini superior part niya. Superior. Kini descending part. Kini diri muna ng descending part. Tapos diri descending na ni. Abot diri. This is the inferior part, then this is the ascending part. Descending, inferior, ascending part. Inferior part, ascending part. mind?
Bigyan ng jacket.
Kanya mo ni ang pancreas. This is the head of the pancreas. This is the neck of the pancreas. Okay? Neck, head. Never mind that. Anyway, what is important between? Okay.
Kaya wala ito na video
Now,
tanan ba?
review. What do you call this?
Sikom.
What do you call this?
Vermiform
Appendix.
appendix. Ascending colon. Right colic.
Or?
Or hepatic.
What do you call this?
Transverse.
This one.
Left colic.
This one.
Descending colon.
This one.
Sigmoid.
This one.
Rectum.
What do you call this?
Pancreas.
What do you call this one?
Greater omentum.
What do you call this?
Duodenum.
What do you call this?
Duodenum.
This one.
Jejunum.
Communication between the duodenum.
Duodenojejunal flexure.
What do you call this part?
Ileum.
Communication between the...
Jejunoileal flexure.
Perfect. Perfect score.